Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a bunch of do-it-yourself and affordable summer fashion trends. So the first one is how to create a pom-pom clutch. Now there's many different versions out there with different styles and colors. Here's a few examples, but you can see how much these can run you. This is super easy to do yourself and to really make your own. So the first thing you're gonna need are pom-poms. I have two options to show you. The first is the multicolor style and the other one is a solid color. You're also going to need a hot glue gun and a clutch or bag of your choice. Everything that I mention in this video and use will be listed in the description box, so you guys can check that out for more information and shop there. So you're going to lay out the pom-poms in whatever pattern you desire. The first example I'm showing you here is the multi-colored pom-poms. You can see I left a little bit of space in between, about the size of an eraser. Again, that's just preference, but this is the final result after gluing all of them on. Another example and another shaped bag here, but following the same steps, this time using a strip of pom-poms. I'm going to place this along the front flap again. And this is the end result of this style. So this is super easy to do yourself. Again, you can also change it up by adding different layers, embellishments, textures, colors, and even a strap for your arm. Next up is embroidered bag. So this goes along the lines of the one I just showed you, but it doesn't have to be limited to pom-poms. You can see here there's a bunch of different ways you could do it with beads, tassels, pom-poms, and other style trim or ribbon. So here's an example of one that I created myself. All you're gonna need is a variety of different embellishments and a bag. So you're going to measure these and cut them, then taking your glue, you're going to glue this along the bag. It's up to you how much you want to apply. So here is the end result. I was really pleased with how affordable and how easy this was to make. So this is a really cute summer trend. I've seen a ton of different examples out there of cute little sayings, but today I'm going to show you how I created mine, and it says beach please. It's extremely easy to do and way cheaper than $90+. So all you're gonna do is take your strip of sequins and you're going to lay this out in whatever word or design you want, and then simply glue it down. Another hat example is an embellished hat. Do you guys sense a trend here? So this is pretty much the same thing as the bag, but in hat style. So pom-poms, trim, ribbon, beads, there's a ton of different examples out there for ridiculously high prices. $50, $60, $80, $90 for these. Are you kidding me? But people buy them. So here's an example I did on a smaller fitted hat, more of like a fedora style. So I just took a bunch of different variety ribbon and trims and I glued these all around the hat. It's so cute, a perfect pop of color for summer. You could wear it with a ton of different outfits. Then the last example I want to show you today is a summer keychain. So this is actually all made from broken jewelry I had. You could obviously do the same thing using pieces of mix, match, or broken jewelry, or you can go out and buy different beads and pieces. So I literally already owned all of these, so I didn't really have a design in mind. I just used what I already had. Completely up to you, but all you're gonna do is basically throw these bad boys together, glue them together, and create your own design. It's super cute for your keys as a keychain. You can also use it to embellish a bag, whether one you've already put ribbon on like here or a plain bag by itself. It just gives a little pop of color and extra detail. This is a really cute idea for all of those broken mix match pieces to be repurposed. That way you don't have to just throw them out or waste them. I would love to know which one of these options you are going to recreate, so comment that down below. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box for a ton more information. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure that you are still subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.